All butter mince pies? Pâte Sucrée Perfection. In 3 minutes, I'll show you how to make the crispiest, most buttery mince pies. No soggy bottoms, no leaks, just holiday glory. Step 1. The pastry. This is a sweet short crust, Pâte Sucrée style, so it's tender, crumbly, and rich. Into a bowl, I sift 250 grams of plain flour with 25 to 60 grams of icing sugar. Go sweeter if you like. A whisper of orange zest. Add 125 grams of fridge-cold unsalted butter, diced small. I work fast, rubbing with fingertips until it looks like damp sand. Food processor, even faster and colder. Beat 1 medium egg yolk, drizzle it in, and mix just until clumps form. If it's still dusty, I add ice-cold water, a teaspoon at a time. Only enough to make it come together. I press it into a disc, wrap tight, and chill at least 30 minutes. Cold equals crumbly and no shrinkage. Step 2. The filling. Use good mincemeat or level it up. I stir in fresh grated apple, more orange zest, and a tablespoon of brandy or rum. Flavor explodes, texture lifts. Step 3. Roll and cut. Lightly flour the counter. I roll the pastry to 2 to 3 millimeters thick, about a $1 coin. Cut bases with a 7.5 to 8 centimeter round cutter. Tops, smaller rounds or festive stars, your call. Grease a 12-hole muffin or patty tin, then gently press in the bases. Spoon in mincemeat so it's level with the rim. Don't overfill. Boil over equals super glue in your tin. Step 4. Seal and shine. I brush the rims with a little beaten egg or water, pop the lids on, and press lightly to seal. For golden glow, I brush the tops with beaten egg yolk plus a teaspoon of water. Sprinkle caster or demerara sugar for sparkle. Solid lids, I cut a tiny vent to let steam escape. Step 5. Bake. Oven at 180 degrees C or 160 degrees C fan, gas Mark 4. Bake 15 to 20 minutes until deeply golden. Cool in the tin 5 to 10 minutes, then lift to a rack to finish. Dust with icing sugar. Serve. I like them just warm with cream, brandy butter or custard. They freeze like champs. Reheat at 160 degrees C for 8 to 10 minutes. Quick recap. Cold butter, minimal handling, chill the dough, roll thin. Don't overfill. Vent the lids. Golden wash. That's the best all butter mince pie I know. Crisp snap, buttery crumble, bright citrus, boozy fruit. Save this, bake it, and steal the holiday spotlight.